Welcome to Auto World of Conway, where today we'll be previewing a beautiful turquoise over white 1955 Bel Air. So we'll take a little bit of time this afternoon, analyze this car, see exactly what she has to offer, and help you decide whether you'd like to see this lovely lady in your garage. This car was acquired locally from one of our previous customers. Did not buy it from us. Bought it from another dealership just about a year ago. And as life would have it, he's no longer able to drive. So as you can tell, it's a highly restored car. Very straight body. Restored approximately 10 years ago. Actually, the chrome and the bumpers looks like they were replaced yesterday, but they were not. Base coat, clear coat. Boy, I could look at this all day. Bumper guards on the front. Nice grill there. All the stainless, highly polished. Chrome. Talk about some of the upgrades here in just a minute. Here's Corvette rally wheels with the derby caps. The car has been driven and enjoyed. You can expect to take this car to a cruise-in or car show and take a trophy. The Bel Air with this stainless around the windows. This is a post car. A lot of your drag race guys like that for the rigidity. Nicely done inside. You'll see the VC 55, which denotes a Bel Air, not a Del Rey. This car appears to have been taken apart completely when it was painted. Very nice job. The upholstery still presents as pretty fresh. Sure if this color is coming across. We're kind of an evening hour, but it is bright white. It is not, I always call it Sierra beige, but that's not the right color. See, dual exhaust. We'll fire her up here in just a moment. The chrome, beautiful. So I've got this trunk slightly ajar so that way I can open it for the sake of this video. See the Pioneer speakers there in the back. So all this matting is glued down the carpet here. I don't really have a good way to show behind that. However, from underneath, which I've seen, presents as very well. Common spot where the deck lid rubs right there. And beautifully done car. Let me see if I can finished very nicely. So after driving this, it feels like it's got a 273 gear ratio in the back. 3-speed, turbo 350. And I'm not finding any nicks, chips, or dings on the paint. Again, very high level. Crank windows. So here's what we've been waiting for. This is not a stock or factory driveline. It's upgraded to a 350 Edelbrock intake and 4-barrel carburetor. It does have the Ram's horn exhaust manifolds. The CPP power steering box, an upgrade. 12-volt system. Power disc brakes. It is an Edelbrock carburetor for sure. This looks like a TC or a TG 350. If you go on Nasty Z28, you'll see decode that engine. I suppose I could have done that beforehand. Aluminum 3-core radiator. So she is cold right now. So we'll do a cold start. Let her set after this afternoon. Two pumps. There we go. Yeah, fuzzy dice, obligatory, right? Retro sound radio. Clock does not work. Well, it's 3 o'clock somewhere, right? Fuel gauge works. Heater also. Here. Hear the blower going. It's like a Blaze aftermarket box there. Firewall pad. Well, I like seeing that type of finish work on these cars. Turn that off. steering wheel when they upgraded to power steering. So boy, this really turns with one finger. Here we are at our main dealership at Old Glory Flying High. This is my 20th year making videos such as this for my customers all over the world. Not sure where you hail from today, but here at Auto World of Conway, we're a classic nut just like you. There you go, 1, 2, 3. Got great power. Nice and easy. Steering wheel probably not quite 1 o'clock. No harm, no foul there. The horn does not operate, does not function. We'll take a look at that. I can't guarantee that it'll work, but you have to watch for finger, I suppose. I did see both horns under the hood, so. Right, turn signal here. Decelerate. These brakes, I almost want to call it touchy. There's the power assist on the brakes is. Oh, I hate driving through this dirt. Oh yeah. Perfect. Interior nice and comfortable again. Looks like, again, all that was recently redone. Nice mellow tone on the exhaust. And what a great day. It's probably 70 degrees here today. Beautiful day for a cruise. So there you have it, 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air here at Auto World of Conway, where we always have good cars for good people.